Here's another Farm Samples book. This time it's
Norman the Clever Budgie.
Yeah, Norman the Clever Budgie, that's right. Here goes. Norman Price was at Trevor's house to see his new budgie. His name's Bubsy. It's a young Norman, because it's a Trevor. Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Said Bubsy. He's brilliant, be Norman.
Norman and Trevor was so busy playing with Budgie they didn't notice Rosa look out one in through the open door.
So Rose jumped onto the table for a look close to the budgie. Budgie squatted down and flew out the open door. Trevor tried to catch Bubsy.
Stood in the sky and said, oh no. Then Trevor, I must go back and find him, said Norman as he ran out the door. You're a rascal young lady, Trevor told Rosa. Rose meowed, meow. You are a rascal young lady, Trevor told Rosa. Rose meowed, lady.
At Pond Planet Fire Station,
The firefighter paid boss will load the car with the police arrestor. I'm representing Newtown Fire Brigade in the car competition, she told Father Sam. Firefighters a car wins. My pride's here. Oh, but of course, said Sam, I'll time you. Thanks, Sam, Penny replied. The quicker I can car, the quicker I can rescue someone who might be trapped inside. So sell equipment next to the rusty shell of the car, which stand in the corner of the scrapyard.
That should be a real challenge.
Just as the station still appeared, I had a call from Trevor, he said, but the budget flew away. We'll keep an eye out for him, sir, replied Sam. No one's already searched the countryside for Trevor's budgie. Bubsy called, Bubsy, it was no use, he groaned. As he pushed off down lane on a skateboard, I must have skied miles. Suddenly, no one skated past a patch of waste ground near Morgan's farm. He heard a squirrel. Who's a pretty boy? Screamed a voice in the nearby scrapyard. Oh, it's Bubsy, Cornelius said. He grinned and skated towards the voice as quietly as he could. Pushed on top of the piece, part of all pipes and broken flesh was Bubsy. Quietly, no one climbed up the scrap heap towards the budgie. He nearly reached Bubsy with a said, whoa, he cried as he tumbled down for a buried skateboard on the pile of junk. Alarmed by noise, Bubsy took the yellow squirrel. Bubsy, come back, although he tried to follow the bird, but his leg was jammed beneath a pipe. At the station, Penny just finished cut the old bagger. Not bad, Penny, said Sam, pressing the start of the stopwatch. Just then, they heard a squawk. Father Sam gazed up the station roof. Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy, then? Said Cheeky Bird. Oh, you must be Trevor's pet Budgie, exclaimed Sam. But before he could make a move, Budgie flew off again. Follow him, cried Penny. Seeing Sam jumped into the fire engine and raced off the Budgie, Sam kept track of the budge while Penny drove carefully. Budgie flew low into the sky, leading them to the countryside near Morgan Farm. Stop here, Penny, said Sam, as Budgie down off fence at the side of the lane. As Sam and Penny crept towards Budgie, their carriage came for the scrap heap. Help, great fire, Lord, said let's down like your price. Right across the waste ground toward the scrap heap, where they found Norman sitting in the middle of a pile of junk. Okay, no one, Sam. I'll try to catch Budgie, Norman replied, my leg shouting over his pipe. We can't lift the pipe because it's caught beneath the rest of the junk survey. This is a job for the con equipment. Penny retrieved the curs from the edge while Sam stayed with Norman. I'll have you free the tick, Penny, told Norman. I'll be free the tick, Penny told Norman, as he cut through the pipe. Brian helped him to his feet. Well done, Penny, he said. Thanks, Penny, said Norman, and thank Penny, Norman. He ran through the jungle and we scouted to enjoy his fall. At last he found what he would look for. Oh, he groaned, holding up his bow skateboard.
I have an idea, hopefully. I hope.
Joe Bubsy flew into sight and perched on the show. Who's a pretty boy, Bubsy? Why, you are Bubsy. Why, you are Bubsy, Sam, and the clever one too for leading us to Norman. Father Sam paid over two Bubs to a light Trevor. I think he's had enough of life in the world, said Sam. What does tea do, you, Bubsy? Good Trevor. Bubsy. The next day, he paid treating Norman to an ice cream Sunday at Bear's Cafe. I once first found the car code competition. I was sure to rescue you from under that gave me the extra practice I needed. Trevor, I care present for Norman. I'm very scared. This is to thank you for finding Bubsy for me, he said. Real, Norman exclaimed. How do you know I bring my scale, Trevor? Trevor shook. Oh, a little bird told me, he said.
The end. There's only 5 more books in this series to go, for quizzes anyway.